Okay, we can also record this.
Yeah, you can also record it. So I truly believe that if you want to change your life, you need to change the step one, which is the self-mastery, which is your thoughts, your beliefs. It's like an engine. If you master the engine and power the engine, all the bogies will start following it automatically. So what are the bogies? The bogies are getting known, creating the content, creating the product, building the funnel, learning how to close, building a community, and then automating and scaling. All the bogies will start in place if the engine is strong. For most of the people, what they do is they feel that, oh, mastery, mindset, thoughts, क्या होता है? कुछ नहीं. Teach me how to run the ad. Teach me how to make the product. They go to bogey 3 and bogey 4, and then the engine is weak and it falls. The train does not go anywhere. Just the station, it is station. So I think if somebody has to change their life, they have to really start by mastering the thoughts. And when I see this, when you guys are here, I see all of you are building that strong foundation of building a great mindset. Some of you have already mastered it and you're consistent in doing this again and again. Some of you are a little weak there. You need to continue to work on this. But I see all of you have grown substantially from where you were. And you were, in fact, when you were lost. You did not know what to do in life. You had not even known what direction should I go in and how do I even build the engine. Like, once I build the engine, which direction do I go? So I do not know. Do I go this side, this side, this side? Where is my destination? I do not even have the aim. Now you know the aim. And now, as the bogies are getting added, you will have more passengers boarding the train who will be your followers, your fans, your mentees, and then you will build a complete commercial model out of this train. That's your train to success. So that's what you've grown. But yes, of course, it continuously keeps, maintenance. It requires upgradation, upgrade the bogie, upgrade the seats, maintain it, upgrade the engine from steam engine, go to electric engine, then maybe go to a loop. What is that? Hyperloop. It's up to you which engine you want now. You got the basics of it. Now it's up to you to continue to work and continue to upgrade on it. So that's my answer.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Yeah, pleasure.